Hi everyone, good morning from India. So I decided to try this app, Shein or Shein. I don't know how they pronounce it. I decided to try it. I said let me just order something to know how they will do. And it takes 3 weeks to reach my hand, like it's too long. And they ship from China. Just 3 items or 4 items I order from there. Just random things, nonsense I order from Shein or Shein. I don't know. This is it. They ship from China, so they just call me this morning to come and collect my order, and I'm just coming back from there. So let's unbox it together to see what is there. If it's what I ordered, I don't know for them. Yeah, so let's see it together. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 items, and one is gown. Other ones are tight. Yeah, tight. I needed it, so let's see. For one item. Wow, I love what I'm seeing. Oh my god, this is so oh my god, this is big. It's big, but I like it. This is what I ordered, like exactly what I ordered. Can you see? Hey, like I needed this, and I ordered another tight. Yeah, another tight for going out. When you wear gown, you have to wear tight. It's a photo on the back, on the further side. Yes, this is my size. I think my size SL. I ordered SL. Yeah, extra large. I'll try the app again. Let me just try it. And they delivered. This is so good. Like the quality. I wish you can feel it. The quality is so nice. This is a good buy for me. And another one is tight again. I don't have tight. Oh, is this what I ordered? Anyway, it's good. The quality is nice. This feels like makeup shorts. Doesn't look like tight. So now they see now. This one is tight now. Okay. So why does this one look like shorts? But I like it anyways. Then the one that is in my heart is this gown. I later regretted why I ordered this gown, but let's see. Let's see how it is. The material is good. You see my size. Hey! Wow! This is the gown. The gown is good though. Let me go and try it. 1 minute, I'm coming back. So, guys, this is the gown. How does it look? Hey, I like it though. Hey, like this Shein, they have nice things. You see the gown that are on my car. That is in my car now. But I don't have money. Fine things. And it's somehow affordable, not that affordable. Like this gown is 6,000 something. Yeah, this is 6,000 something. The tie 2,000, 3,000, and the I can't remember. But how does this gown look? How does it look? Hey, I like it. But I think it's too big. If you want to order lower your size. How do I say it? Like this is SL. If you want to order, just order that. I'm supposed to order large instead of SL. But anyways, I still like it. But I wish it's just like this, so that everything will be show you guys. Yeah, so this is it. Thank you for watching. For this one, I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Tell me how you see all this thing. Is it okay? Is it good? Are you going to try them? I don't know for you, but I'll try again. Bye.